Great stock market guidelines from experienced people. Making an investment in the stock market is something many people will do at some time in their lifetime. There are steps you can take to learn more about your choices, minimize your risk, create a diversified portfolio, and generally, invest with more confidence. Here are some tips that will help you to intelligently navigate the world of the stock market. Do not invest money that you might need to access in a hurry, or that you cannot afford to lose. Your emergency cushion, for instance, is much better off in a savings account than in the stock market. Remember, there is always an element of risk with investing, and investments are generally not as liquid as money in a bank account. Remember that the market is made of all stocks. There will always be some going up and some going down. Winning stocks can bolster your portfolio even during downturns, whereas losing stocks can hold you back in a boom. Choose carefully, and above all else diversify your holdings. Doing this both minimizes your risks and increases your opportunities to gain. Don't focus solely on the stock prices when choosing investments. Although a company's stocks may rise temporarily, crashing and burning is very possible. It is the best idea to research different businesses and find out which ones typically do the best over the long term. Use research to make the best choices. Every stockholder would be wise to understand the importance of patience and persistence. You are likely not going to get rich quick overnight, and you are sure to make some mistakes along the way. However, the most important thing you can do to ensure success is stay with it without getting discouraged. These suggestions should help you to become a more savvy investor. While there's no guarantee you'll become the next stock market mogul, a better understanding of investment basics will go a long way in making smart money decisions. Here's hoping all your future investment choices will result in a healthy return. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.